Okay, I'm back. My camera died on me. So yes, so now I'm just waiting for the coffee to start boiling so we can be ready. Let's look at it right now. Nothing's there yet. Boom, 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 boom. So what I was trying to say before I got cut off is follow my cousin. So my cousin Sasha, she runs a business where she makes cakes and other delicious desserts. If you want to know, follow Lola Sweets on Instagram and follow their website. And if you want to follow me, Edward, follow me at elite.exotic.essentials.ceo. I'll put that in the link in the description.
Little Lola Sweets.
Little Lola Sweets. And follow me at elite.exotic.essentials.ceo. The waiting process. Well, you see, patience is always needed. Once you have patience, you can get through anything. And then you also, not just patience, you just need self-control. And you gotta have a goals, and you know what you're working towards, and focus on that, and let nothing get in your way. You can pretty much just do anything. Yep. Boom, chicka, boom, boom.